Hey, South Florida. I'm Shane Avatar from BizReview AI, your go-to for trusted local business reviews. Today, we're highlighting Rolling Suds Power Washing, serving the Fort Lauderdale and Hollywood area. Rolling Suds is part of a national franchise with over 30 years of experience and a strong local presence here in South Florida. They specialize in both residential and commercial exterior cleaning, from roof and siding soft washing to driveways, patios, decks, and full-scale HOA properties. They've earned a strong 4.9-star rating from over 2,700 verified reviews. Here are just a few highlights from real customers. Soft scrub my roof and siding. Looks new again. Professional, responsive, and right on time. Friendly crew. My house looks brand new. What really makes them stand out? Their trucks carry over 9,000 pounds of water, so no need for on-site hookups. They use eco-friendly cleaning solutions safe for kids and pets. Their commercial gear is 2 to 3x faster than most pressure washers. They can clean up to 5 stories high. No lift needed. And yes, they even use drone-assisted equipment for high-reach areas. Rolling Suds also backs their work with a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and they're known for working around customer schedules, moving patio furniture when needed, and double-checking everything before they leave. Customer feedback. Snapshot. One reviewer said their roof soft wash made their home look freshly painted. Another praised how professional the team was. Clean uniforms, good communication. And a third mentioned how the team respected their home, even putting things back in place after cleaning. BizReview AI verdict: reliable, solid reviews, and decades of proven work. Efficient, they don't waste time, and the results speak for themselves. Eco-friendly, cleaning done safely with care for the environment. Recommended, especially for homeowners and property managers looking for quality and speed. If you're in Fort Lauderdale or Hollywood and looking to boost your curb appeal, Rolling Suds Power Washing is worth the call. Their contact information is below in the video description. And business owners, if you'd like your own custom intro or want to update your listing, stay tuned. Reach out through our channel page. Thanks for watching. This is Shane Avatar, reporting for BizReview AI. See you in the next one.